At Minders School of Business, you have the opportunity to major in marketing, business administration, economics, finance, and accounting. The business school really gives you that core foundation. They give you the business classes, you're interacting with all the majors in the business school, and then you have the opportunity with your major to have a creative outlet, which is what I did with my minor in broadcasting. Ever since I've been here, I've been able to do research with Dr. Wilner and the economics department, and it's just been such a great opportunity for me to make connections for my future life. So I settled on economics because it's more of a social science and looking at trends and the way people interact with the things around them, and that's what really intrigued me. A unique technology tool that we have here at Minders School of Business is our Bloomberg computers, which allows us direct access to real live times out on the stock market. So it's essentially like we're on the stock market floor. Being able to see those trades and being able to make investments with the money that we have from Mr. Minders is really an incredible experience.